What's up guys? Welcome back to the Toys Epic YouTube channel. Today we are going to review Basha Desert Stalker 4-wheel RC car. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notification when we upload new videos. Let's get started. Remote control and all here. Use a manual. Wow. This is Super 4-wheel drive off-road series RTR 1 to 12 scale electric car. This car for age 14 plus, not for children. This is waterproof RC car. These shafts are made in metal. Bearing also metal. These tires, flexible tires, and we can drive in off-road. There's a 2 LED lights, and also there is a 4 LED lights. There's a driver dummy. Here is the servo motor. You can't see exactly. Motor also inside, and this is a 4-wheel RC car. Suspension are made in metal. It's a good suspension. Here we can see. Also, wheel also there. This is waterproof RC car, but keep in mind, don't put all into the water, because there is a motor and all thing. If we put all in water, we need to cover all thing, because if we wires are short circuit, our motor will burn. We can run up to maximum 50 km/h. This is 2-speed run. That's why this is not allowed to children, because this is too fast. Let's see remote control. There's a battery and the charger. This is high capacity lithium-ion battery. Other RC cars have nickel cadmium battery, and we can't run long term, because this is a powerful battery, and this RC car we can run up to 10 to 20 minutes. If we run in a fast way, I think we can run maximum 10 minutes. This is remote controller. Let's put battery. We need 4 batteries. Put the clipper, otherwise battery pull down. Here is the on-off switch. The remote control on-off switch. We can change channel. This is a 4-channel remote controller. This powerful motor. Here we can see this is speed motor. This is turned to fine tune. Here we can see when we tune, the triangle is changing. This is forward backward tuning. We can control the speed. If we put turn left, the speed going to reduce. When we turn right, the speed is maximum. There's a tool set. If we need modify the car, we can use